Welcome to my video, everybody. Today we are playing Minigame Madness. I don't remember what it's called, but it's something similar to that. And sorry that I haven't done videos in a long time. It's because I haven't found out what videos to make. So, hello to YouTube. Oh, and I'm gonna... Oh, sorry. Hello to YouTube, everybody. Hang on, I have to turn down the volume for now. They've changed it, as you can see. Okay. Indiana Jones, okay? Where is my friend Reagan? Queen Wicked. Hi, say hello to YouTube. What are we doing? I did not pay attention. This is my friend Raven, Queen Wicked. Ah! Okay, oh my gosh, okay, it's acid rain. Oh, okay. Oh, ouch. Okay then. Sorry if I sound sick because I have allergies. Oh my gosh, you should see mine. It's an artist. This has heck. You know what? That's it. Okay, so this video is for some people that are my subscribers because I haven't done them in so long. So please be happy after this one because I just really did this for you guys. And I wonder if you guys like it. It should be fun. Oh, I hate this one. I hate this minigame so much. This minigame is my enemy. Ouch, I don't even care right now if I die. I'm gonna die. Okay, never mind. No, I'm just gonna die. Give me a please, a Foxy Cola. Where's my Foxy Cola? Where are the Foxy Colas? Okay. For now, I don't even care if I'm dying. Okay, this is just so hard of a game. I'm just gonna die. I don't see any. I'm just fell behind the rock. I don't know what to say that. There's so many of them. Anyone wondering where I am? Okay, that was just random. Okay. Yay! Yes, I was one of the three. Okay. I need a Foxy Cola now. Trust cut. Whoa, slippery sledding. I hate this one. Well, I love it and all, but it's just super hard. It's confusing. Oh, okay, we're starting. I'm so good. I'm so good until people start knocking me out. Video! This video is gonna go viral. I'm just joking. It's not popular. Probably have like 10 subscribers or something like that. So. Oh. Next video, we might do Twisted Murder. I'm sorry guys, but... Oh, really? Oh, okay. Oh. See why it's not working. Yes! I can do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh my gosh, I'm lagging out here. Oh my. You guys can see this? I'm lagging out so badly. I'll have to find out why, because I never lagged this bad in Roblox. Well, I'm not talking Yes, it's very easy, Raven. And I know it's easy, but for me, I just lagged out so badly. 17 seconds? Are you joking? Oh, I'm dead. I'm done. I've done it good. Oh well. Everybody's bad at schools. For some reason I didn't catch on to the ladder. But, well, I might do 3 videos today to make up for all the times I didn't do any. So what I will do is I will play Twisted Murder next, and down in the comments below, please put in an obstacle course to do. And so, yeah. What? Oh no, I hate this one. I'll just go like... Oh, Geometry Dash! Oh yeah. People. Got it. I love that level. Oh, if you want to get this feature right here, you go into this, and then you see the movement mode, and then you can go to default keyboard, and then hit shift. I'm on a Mac, and you're gonna hear clickings in the background. That's my computer. Just ignore it. I'm gonna get a better thing than QuickTime because this is really bad. Oh, look at those marbles. Oh, that's just so annoying. Get it! Push it in! Oh. I doubt they have like one. Betcha they only have one. In. Look at ours. It's so full of it. Get them all. You come back here, people. These are our marbles. Okay, then one day I'm going to have my friends do this. Like my real life friends might do this. They have more marbles, trust me. Oh, we tied with 8 marbles. Oh yeah. I have 17 wounds. Oh, I need 3 more woods to level up. I'm level 4. Raven's the same level as me. I'm happy. Cute fact. Oh no, not this one. Takes me forever. I just go click. All I have to do is this. I got this. Our team's gonna win. Come on, you can do it. We can do it. Some days I'm lucky enough, some days I'm not. Now I'm in school, so that's probably why I haven't been doing very many videos, guys. Soon I'll be doing like with my sister. I had a video to upload with my sister, but now it's like we can't upload it. Oh, I don't think I did. I definitely didn't. They even have less people for doing Twisted Murderer next. And then after Twisted Murderer, we're doing an obstacle course. I have a different friend to play with, and with playing with Raven was like totally not my choice. She just entered. I didn't even know she was in this game. I'm just going to stand here because it's 4 corners and I hate this one. If you hear Regina, it's my sister. One of my sisters. Why did Red sink? Okay, let's get this here. I feel like jumping off right now. I'm still doing a video. I'm going to stop it soon. So as you guys heard, you know it's 4 seconds. I'm just bearing with it. Ah, help! That's like the first one. I might stop it here or something. Where is he? I'm going to stop my video in a couple, like a minute or something. Well, you know, I'm just going to stop it here. So, well, hope you guys enjoyed. That is minigame something for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Say bye to YouTube. Say bye to YouTube. Bye, anybody? Nobody? Yes, no, maybe. You know, I don't even know how to stop this, so, hey.